What's going on, my YouTube people? This is your boy Max. Today's video is all about pineapple, about natural juices. After yesterday's passion fruit, mango and papaya videos, today is pineapple. I already blended it. I'm gonna blend it a little bit more. Okay, at maximum speed. Alright, so this is our pineapple juice, full of pulp and full of vitamins, as everybody knows. You can purchase it from your local store, supermarket, or in any other grocery store in your neighborhood, convenience, wherever you have it. Okay, everybody knows pineapple has a lot of sugar, it's very sweet by its own. Whoever wants to add their own sugar, I don't recommend it for people who suffer of diabetes. I would recommend brown sugar, sugarcane sugar, which is more natural and less refined than the white sugar. Okay, everybody knows this is a delicious breakfast drink, dinner as well. So just look at the texture. Okay, look at it. This is all natural pineapple juice. Okay, so add your sugar and your taste in your convenience. Enjoy. This was the fruit of today, pineapple juice. Okay, subscribe and like for more videos, more fruit coming up. I'm here in the Caribbean for the moment and I'm enjoying the life with you guys. Check you later. This was the third fruit in 2 days which I've made natural juice from. Alright, check you later.